Welcome to part 2 of the Draw With Me or Draw With Orcs series. In this video we're going to continue on with the portrait we started in part 1. If you haven't checked part 1, please do. It is a full length and it's well over 1 hour, so if you have some spare time you can go and check it out. The idea for part 2 was to do something similar, but apparently last night when I was recording this painting session, apparently it didn't record the sound. So I was talking for an hour to nothing, to no one. So I was painting and I was giving all these amazing tips and tricks, advice that would have immediately made you a completely better artist. But unfortunately, when I dragged this video into my editor this morning, the audio channel was completely flat. So I'm sorry. But this video is mostly just a continuation of the part 1 video. So we're still painting in black and white, values, refining and rendering parts. The total session took about 1 hour, and at the end I kind of came to the conclusion that I do want to make a part 3 where I bring the painting even further, start adding some color, and really bring this into like a full-fledged illustration. So the rest of this video is going to be more of a time-lapse with some music underneath. In the next part I will make sure I do record the audio so I can really take you with me in my choices and thought process. If you have any questions you want me to tackle or talk about during the video, then please do leave them below in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them as good as I can in the next part. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for listening and enjoy watching the rest of this video. I see you in the next one.